Welcome guys to another vlog. Excuse your girl, her hair looks messy. I think I should even have manners by covering my hair, but anyways, it is a vlog. I am going to umemulo, guys. I don't even know what's the procedure, stuff like that. I literally don't know anything, but yeah, right now we're going today and we're picking today and we didn't wash and we're washing today, so and by 2 we have to be gone. Girl, when I say we are heck of planners, but anyways, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I think the easiest thing for me to do, which is put my toiletry break, stuff like that, but I think I have to start with the hardest. I think, I'm not sure, but unfortunately we have to wear lots of dresses, more than brooks, which is kind of concerning because I just called kuyabanda amakaza. Anyways, I hope I'll have a nice journey. I can't wait. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog too. So whoop whoop whoop, and please like, comment, share and subscribe because I need it. Okay, I need it. I'm talking, guys. Please excuse my crusty self. Like, I know I'm crusty. Ooh, look at my hair, but I feel like I'm gonna probably wash my hair. And yeah, so guys, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a mommy jean. I'm wearing this vest top, the pink one, and a bomber jacket. I'm going to show you what type of shoes I'll be wearing, but for now I'm just wearing this type of shoes because basically I'll be the castle. I know it's kind of but anyways, yeah. And then I just tied my hair in a, I don't know, but I just tied my hair because I was lazy to do my hair and I didn't know what I would do with it. So this is what I ended up on. But anyways, now it's time to go. Anyways, these are the shoes that I was planning to go with the outfit, but I'm not gonna wear them now, so yeah. Yes. Bye. Look at the sun, guys. The sun be heating. The sun be heating. The sun be heating. The sun be heating. Look at you, girl. Tiny bonani, Johnny. Guys, we have arrived. I'm sorry I look crusty, but I had to wear a towel because we have to wear skirts and I'm wearing a brook, so yeah. But anyways, this is how I look. Let me go call my sister so she can also wear one. So so here's my sister and this is her towel. This is what she'll be wearing. So yeah. Hey, like please wear brook. Cause she's dancing instead of putting the towel. Do you feel bonita? Yes, girl. Yes. Hey, yo. nje ukhulu kangakanani. So strange.
What?
ما phela khona sibe vele phosa. No ball faka ngaphandle.
Sir, ngafaka abantu abangaze ngahlupheka. Bukaleli Khalo. Khalo bukaleli. Khalo bukaleli. Hello, Jesus. How are you, Jesus? Oh, Jesus. I know that was a lot of work.
Chomoza namasendishi. Hawu. Ngingana noma indishi encane lokho naswada chomo.
Amaningi kangaka. I'm basically wealthy here. How am I? Good afternoon, guys. It is 1:30 and I'm still here. I haven't gone to the location where I'm supposed to. We still have to go and find transportation to help us get there. Otherwise, you can see how quiet it is. Like, it is so quiet. Like, literally so quiet. But yeah, let me just show you all around. I just finished bathing. I don't know, these days I've been feeling so insecure about my face because I really cannot understand everything that's going on there. Even though people say my face is glowing, I don't see it because, yeah. Anyways, also I'm wearing my retainers. But yeah, and I'm just wearing this top. And I think I'm gonna show you all what I'm wearing. Okay guys, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this crop top and I'm wearing this long pencil skate with some boots there. I'm sorry, I cannot film properly. I forgot my selfie stick. But yeah, this is the outfit of today and I'm gonna show you all what I did to my hair. But woo, outfit check. And then for my hair, I just did a slick ponytail. Even though here you can see some gel, which I still hate. But, and I wore some earrings. Yeah. We arrived at the perfect time where the girls were out and singing and dancing. Oh, yambon. So we were on kitchen duty, so he and my sister were cleaning out the kitchen.
Oh, but okay, so
Rosti rice. Akayiye kolekulela pezati. Ilazi. Ikoki.
Iqhanesho ta manje kufanele ngabe igcwele le envelope manje kudakelana ndawo. Dakelana ndawo. Amanda Belala. Amanda Belala. Amanda Belala. Amanda Belala.
Ah, you have to rise in such.
Good morning, guys. It is 8 a.m. in the morning. I am back. I'm back to our first location. Umemulo pelile. I slept today at 4. So I basically slept for 3 hours because I did not sleep until 9, which would make it 4 hours. But anyways, I'm tired. I'm just so tired. I just wanna, yeah. I'm tired. Quite tired.
Uzubamba ngiyabathanda
Okay, okay. Hey. No, le lapha emcimbini lo yinto. Beqine too much. All right. Asimengane. How?
Uyajabula nje bosemakhaya.
Yes.
Uzoshuthe ngolo. Ngathinta lana. You pull hard.
How?
Hard. Step nyathela ngalolu. Hamba, qhubeka ukubamba. Donsa ngale.
Nalo.
Ay donsa ngale.
Oh.
Ilulu, umuntu ayishazi.
Yeah. Hey Jesus, how you guys? Hello mama, oh baba, sanbonani bo. Hey guys, siya emfuleni. Look at the the donkeys. They already know, you know, when we put those containers where they must go. But anyways, let me show you all. Can you all see? I'm literally following them. They literally know what they have to do. Like, literally. Like, by the way, the road is full of cow poop or dung. Anyways, can you see? They're so cute. I mean, they're so cute. I just want to pet them and kiss them. And this is why I'm not meant for a Makaya lifestyle because, yeah. But anyway, can you all see? Like, I'm actually quite excited to see Umfula. So yeah, we are going to the river. We are going to the river. Guys, please look at this. This is a Salah. And it's very cold. But today it's not that cold. It's quite hot since I'm only wearing a long sleeve. But the roads are quite, like, it gets quite dark this side, especially if you don't know your way around. You can just trip because everything's just so dark at night. But anyways, I find this so cute. Like, they like, we're not gonna wait for you, we're just gonna go because yo, it's so cute. God bless them and God bless those animals. Everything they do for us, honestly, they make life easier for us. And I hope as humans we can take better care of them because this is quite cute. And yeah, I don't know, it's just wholesome in all. Like, dude.
Cela kusheshe lapho.
Siyabonga. Good morning guys, it's the last day. Today I am going. We are already packed. I'm going to show you all, but it was a wonderful experience indeed. I'm just tired. I'm just waiting to clean the dining room and kitchen, you know. I'm just waiting for the space to be cleared out. Otherwise, I'm just done, you know. I'm done. And that was the experience. Would I survive for a lifetime? No, I wouldn't. To be honest, I wouldn't. Yeah, no, I wouldn't. I just think I have that mindset. But yeah, anyways, it is time to go. Not now though, maybe like 2 p.m., 3 p.m. But currently, I'm just in the same clothing as yesterday, just a different top. Yeah. As you can see, everything is just packed. It's there. Yeah. Mama said, "Chile, Chile." Akuhlanga mina ngizomemeza. Uba uzolibamba kufuna libanje ikhanda futhi. Walithula kanje.
Alkal, milkal alfo di kuku. Mando funa lezo.
Last goodbyes. Uzobulalwa.
Say your last.
It was nice seeing you, even though I don't know you. Jesus, this is a very good guys.
Sabe tu ngazo?
At first, jahala man.
Mele siqhuthe fast before libanda. Melibanda liyaqina.
Ngasaqhuthela. Sorrows, prayers.
Umphako.
Gcina ikhaya.
Hayibo.
Kombe basho.
Osasibona.
Hlongo.
I'll feel it. Wozakuthandwa.
Wanti ichutha le?
Alifakwa manje yaqina. Molichutha siyale. La maphika sale.
Nangizoshuta nje kahle kahle.
Yaqina fama ukuchutha.
Ufuna ukuzama?
Bese lokho mzimba yakho lokho ukuthi ngizokwenza.
Shona kulona. Mfethu sisamnandi nje, futhi mangilale nawe nje.
Uzovua pensiba. Pensapheli kanti ngakulimaza ngalokho likhwebha inyawo selifuna ukubale.
Laka.
Oh my. Iphiko. Umncane siyahamba. Baba umncane sebeyahamba.
Watheza nje uthando kwakuthiwa kuzothando. Hayibo. Othando. Mhlambe kuyaxoxa nohungqongani mina. Yini kanti nedrama? Yebo, ukuthi idrama ngina.
Thatha amakhulu njalo mina. Unfortunately, your baby died today.
Ngafunda amasiko amaningi.
Akodwa usiko